At Friso Gold, the quality of our cows and the experience of our farmers has led to a recent discovery of high-quality Nova's signature milk. By high quality, we're talking about easily digestible milk, observed at the molecular level. Our milk is produced with Nova's signature milk, which has low casein mineralization. Low casein mineralization in milk forms smaller, softer curds in a child's stomach, making it easier and faster to digest. This is made possible with our unique grass-to-glass heritage. Friso Gold delivers Nova's signature milk by specially selecting quality cows, customizing their feeds according to their activities, down to the last step of retaining the natural quality of the milk with our proprietary lock nutri technology. Friso Gold, Nova's signature milk. Smaller molecules, softer structures.